Hey everybody, this is Jared. We're driving to a new install this morning. I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the ductless movement and kind of teach people about what's going on right now in the ductless air conditioning world. There's a lot of places that are out of equipment across the country. We actually did a couple of steps to ensure that we have equipment. We have access to about $85 million worth of Mitsubishi product outside of Denver, Colorado. We basically made some connections with some people on the West Coast to ensure that wherever we're doing a job, no matter where it is in the country, we can still get these products in and delivered to customers and installed. So if you're looking for equipment and you need some help, please give me a call. I'd be glad to help you out if you wanted to buy it from us, or you're another contractor looking to get equipment. We will only sell products to contractors. We're not going to sell anything to the public just because it's an insurance and a safety issue for us to do that. So you do have to be a licensed contractor to acquire some equipment from us. But we have access to 4-ton, 5-ton hyperheating units. Most guys are not going to see those until September, October of this year. We do have some, so if you guys need some of that equipment, let me know. I also am going to throw this out there. We're a very aggressive, this year, and we're going to be very aggressive in the next 5 to 10 years. Our primary goal for Ductless Plus is to be the #1 heating and air conditioning ductless supplier in the United States. So if you're in another state and you're watching our video, or if you're interested in getting into this business and you want to be a part of the biggest transition in the history of HVAC to ductless equipment, please leave me a reply and let's talk. I want to build Ductless Plus up to be the biggest, most powerful ductless company in the country, with the best service, the best employees, the best master team that I can find. So if you're interested in doing that and getting into this market, I would highly recommend you jump on the bandwagon now, because a lot of consumers and a lot of contractors really don't understand what's going on. The zero, emission green technology is coming out right now. We're going to see, there went my waters. We're going to see a transition to the ductless market that's going to be so aggressive that people don't realize it. In the state of Colorado alone, by 2023, we're going to basically be going to all VFR mini split technology, or variable refrigerant flow, technology in all new construction. They're going to eliminate natural gas equipment. It's happening, folks. So if you don't think that's going to be happening here in the future, you're really fooling yourself, because it's going to happen no matter what. By 2030, Denver's going to make all add-on, retrofit, new construction installations. They're all going to be mini split variable refrigerant flow technology, if it's multi-zone for residential or multi-city for commercial. They're eliminating the natural gas, emissions into our atmosphere. So the United States Department of Energy is basically going to start figuring this out, and they're going to start creating new high efficiency power plants that have a single source to capture, collect, and clean the carbons that are getting produced and put into our atmosphere. So we're going to see this huge, massive transition. If these contractors that are doing heating and air right now don't believe it, and they're just dragging their feet into getting into this mini split technology, they're really, really, really going to be dropping the ball. We want to be the leaders in that movement, not only here in Colorado, but we're looking to find partnerships and open new locations across the country. So if you're interested in doing that, you want to be a part of this massive transition that's going to come into place, give us a call. We're interested. We're looking for guys, and anybody, guys, girls, anybody that's interested into this technology that wants to see the green movement getting pushed. Obviously different regions of the United States require different technology. Super cold climates are going to require hyperheating units. Mild, kind of lukewarm climates that still might get a call for heat, they're not going to necessarily need a hyperheating unit. So learning about the equipment in the region you're in, if you want to sell this product, you need to do some deep diving and figuring out what's going to be the best for you, especially in your region. So we're going to be relocating to a few other states in the next few years. I want to have at least 5 to 10 new stores open up, but anybody out there that's willing to help me and move this Ductless Plus movement along, let's get together, let's talk, let's build a master team, let's build the biggest, most customer savvy, supportive company that there is. Let's do this. We can do this, folks. So if you're a motivated person, if you're a motivated contractor and you want help and you want to understand this technology, give me a call. There's a lot of things I could do to help you out. Look us up on the our other YouTube stuff that we got already put out there, so you can learn some other installation techniques. You can learn about the DSB, you can learn about the D-rate factor. What's cool about like you guys that live in sea level climates, you guys kind of got a little bit better opportunity than people who are in altitude for those climates, because we have a performance issue that we gotta accurately adjust the sizing of these machines for. So anybody that wants to learn, if you guys like this kind of information, if you're interested in the ductless movement and you really like this technology, hit the like, subscribe, give us a comment. We're looking for people to talk. Let's build a community where that we can move forward and get this whole transition done way quicker. And you also got to think about it. By 2030, do you think everybody's going to jump on that right then? I would say no way. They're going to be pushing this movement within the next, couple of years. They're not going to transition last minute. The transition's already here, but, I just think that we're having a hard time getting the educational, information out there to consumers and to the contractors that do heating and air conditioning. So again, we're looking for a master team. We're looking for guys that want to be big players in this technology and this movement. Let's do some stuff. Let's do great things for our country. Let's clean up our atmosphere. Let's do this. Let's get rid of all the natural gas. We don't need to do it. Heating and air conditioning systems that use furnaces and gas and all that, it's an antiquated technology. It's been around forever. Ducted systems are inefficient. You got static pressure loss, you got duct temperature loss, you got airflow restrictions, you got return air problems. There's so many issues with them. We can have a true comfort climate in every single room of your house or commercial building. Just let's do it. Let's quit being, old school technology. Let's get rid of all that stuff, folks. Let's move forward to the new HVAC world that we're creating with the ductless movement. Excuse my ductless, but anyway, let's do this, you guys. Let's go crazy. Hey, we really like these. These are really good. Well, I personally do. So if you guys want to sponsor Ductless Plus, I'd appreciate it. We could use a couple cases of these a week for sure. So, but let's help each other out. Let's help our future families out. Let's help our grandchildren out. Let's get this transition over with. Let's move forward in the ductless universe. Like, subscribe, comment, please help us out. Let's build this up. Talk to your friends, talk to your family about it. If you got a house and you got a traditional ductless system that's just, working great, bring your friends over and show them how it works. If you got a ducted system, a furnace and air conditioner in your house, it's terrible, spread the word. Let people know that there's other technology out there that can supplement or just remove it and replace it with ductless technology. But again, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to smash that like button. Let's like and watch the other videos, educate yourself. Let's get this movement, let's get this transition in full effect, and let's get on this movement way before everybody else decides that they have to do it. So, because then you won't get caught off guard. But again, this is Jared with Ductless Plus. As always, thank you so very much. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there. Do something awesome for your community. Be the be the best HVAC technician you could be for your customers. And let's all have a positive outlook on the future, and let's get through this last 2 years that we've been going through a bunch of pain and suffering with COVID and everything, and let's start building on our future. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Have a good day. Be blessed.